Hi guys, welcome back. So we had a neighbor that had just putting the lawnmower up. He mowed real quick. We had a neighbor have a garage sale, and look what I got. 2 shelves. So I'm gonna paint them. We've got a little area here in the washroom that I've been dying to clean up and try to make better. So I'll try to embarrass myself by showing you what it looks like before we clean it, and then I'll show you the after. I'm going to paint these white. I'm going to get them going tonight. I might need a second coat. I've got the paint and primer all in one, so we'll see if it covers up this bright shelf. So we'll see. Here we go. Well, that's not going to work. I'm probably going to have to hand paint it. Taking too much coverage. I didn't even get halfway down on one with one can. So maybe they'll let me take the other 2 cans back. Bought 3 cans, so. And go buy a gallon of paint. Hopefully a gallon of paint will do it. I hope it don't rain. Alright, come back. Let's see what all I gotta do to get these painted. Alright. Well, as you can see, I went ahead and used the other cans I bought and did a light coat on all of them to help cover up the real bright color. And then Jim found about a half a gallon that I had left over from where I redid my kitchen cabinets. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit here and paint them. I started real early because it was supposed to get hot. So, follow along. Very hot. Trying to keep the camera in the shade. So here's some of our embarrassment. And we're going to try to make it look a little better. So we had to move some stuff around. Maybe I can make some little covers for it, but oh my goodness. Cooper's still checking it out too. Everything is up off the floor. Don't look at her little. Need to redo the floor. All our extra supplies. And guys, I don't know if I showed you before, but we had stuff on the washer and dryer. Look, washer and dryers cleared out. Looks a lot better, doesn't it?
Yes.
We've been organizing this one little room for hours. Cleaning, throwing everything away, right? Alrighty. It looks so much better. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, yesterday, I should say. Let's try to start this over.